There's like Christmas here in HEB, sweetie.
Get your basket.
Get the basket. What is that there, sweetie? Let me check this one. What is this? Oh. Little, choose what do you want, sweetie? Oh. Oh my God. I want apple pie. It's pecan. Oh, this is good. Ah, look at that. There are more, so many more, so many more. Wow. This is for the Thanksgiving. $10. Yung kulit nito ng asawa ko, mabili ako nito. Pero hindi ako kumakain nito. Gusto ko. Ano to? Peach. Whole pie. Peach. Whole blueberry. Ew. Wow, this is broken. Tamales. Sabi niya fake daw to. Hindi yan imitation. Ay, imitation nga. Snow crab leg. Meaning this is only imitation. Oh my God. Imitation. Snow crab leg cocktail tray. $20. Oh my God. Can't believe it. You can imitate anything in this world. So I thought that's not imitation. Look, it says imitation. Ayo. Fruits, guys. Wow, different apples. Yellow, red, green.
Yeah.
Don't talk. I will pay for it. Put it there.
I think we can be in and out.
Tete.
I don't want to spend a half a day here.
I like this. I like this.
You have one at home.
No,
I
this.
just fit I have at home in the door.
No, that's the small one. I saw it. This one.
Get one. Get one. $2 a pound. It's going to be $2 one apple.
Pick the better one
You
today.
know, I don't know. I don't buy them. This would be a better
It's
one.
the
right here.
green apple.
This has a little bit of red in it.
Can you get this? That one.
What?
I want that.
Which one? Here?
That one, yeah.
That has it.
Which one is clear, clean?
Yeah,
Get it,
here.
please.
Come on. Let's go.
Hi, Anna. My friend over there.
Video naman siya. Ano mag-video?
Sabi ng asawa ko, punta kami ng Walmart. Ang tagal ko doon kasi nagdaldal ako sa mga co-worker ko. Ngayon, andito ka na naman, makipagdaldal ako sa'yo.
Grabe na
Oo nga, lumayo.
lumayas na.
Ang ganda mo naman. Ganun ng face mo.
Sorry?
Ah, hindi mo off mo pala ngayon?
Ha?
Off mo bukas?
Ano? Hindi.
Ano ba bukas, Monday?
Monday.
Ayun nga, may work.
Wednesday. Kaya,
Ay.
Wednesday off ko.
Ako din.
Ay! Perfect. Manood tayo ng Hello Love
Pero
Siya.
Tuesday gabi. Matulog ako na umaga. Pwede.
Oo, kasi sabi ko kay...
Text tayo.
Basta sabi ko kay...
Si Prodi, ano
Chen.
sabi?
Sabi ko kay
Chen.
Chen.
Off din siya?
Ano siya? Off. So, pwede ka pa matulog kasi alas 2 siya mag-ano eh. Pwede
Ito
tayo
na.
kasi yung Hello Love Goodbye. Gusto mo yun, te? Hello Love Again?
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan
Tingnan
natin.
ko search ko.
Hello Love. Yung si
Catherine.
Catherine Daniel, yung nag-ano ba?
Oh, sige. Tingnan ko.
Ang ganda ng ano ni Manang, oh.
Ang ano?
Manang, oh.
Ako lang gumawa niyan.
Ikaw lang gumawa niyan? Ang ganda.
Decorate ko lang eh.
Very good. Oh, mag-no tayo.
Sige.
Kahit tatlo, apat ni ate.
Sige, text tayo.
Oh,
Search ko yan kung ano.
Ako na bahala sa ticket.
Oh, mayaman daw siya daw magbayad sa ticket. Bye-bye. Text tayo, bye-bye. Sana yung asawa ko. Iniwan na ako ah. Bibili pala ako nito. Paborito ko to guys. Spinach. Hindi maganda ngayon ah. Hindi siya fresh ngayon. Na lang. Hindi maganda yung spinach ngayon nila guys. Tayo sa bok choice. Oh, maganda to. Luto nga ako nito. Hindi maganda yung mga vegetables nila today. Kasi magtatanim ako nito.